When was the last time you had time? Every person on the earth has 24 hours per day. And of course, we have certain things we have to do. You have to spend some hours on sleeping and eating and certain things. And this other part, how we use it, that actually determines if we have time or if we have not. Recently I visited a good friend of mine. He's always been very busy. We've been friends for 30 years and very often he talks about some ideas he has had, like a big round trip, but never has time. I also never had time, and we talked quite a lot about it. And then I realized that now, lately, I have had time for everything. How did I achieve that? All the material things you own actually take some time away from you. Whatever it is, a phone, you need to charge it, you need sometimes upgrade it, delete some apps. Well, these are seconds. But if those seconds add up, well, I don't know, maybe this phone takes from my life a couple hours. One of the biggest material things we have is the house. When I sold my regular house and built this A-frame, I noticed that, well, I have more time because I don't need to spend so much time on cleaning and maintaining it, because it doesn't have all this excess space I had in the old one, and that's good. When I do like a full cleanup, it's maybe an hour. And of course, mortgage, you need to spend time to earn money to pay for your big house. Again, it's not only money you spend time. Our philosophy here in Avrame is we try to promote the lifestyle and more simple lifestyle with more simple things, and we sell products and knowledge about that, and of course house is helping you to simplify your life and have more time actually for the things that you like, the things matter to you. And if you feel that you are intrigued by this idea, watch the next video.